Oh, there's stuff flopping around. All right, I'm good. You ready? You don't have an afterburner on that one? Here I spent all this time getting the wheel to go straight, and it's still not.
Timer cleared.
Yep.
Landing flat. Gear up, flaps up.
Oh. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there we go. I had rudder trim, didn't realize it. So now it's rock solid, huh? Booty on fire, baby. Yeah, you're locked. It's locked.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get one and have you help me set it up.
You gotta try. I think they're better gyros than the lemon stuff, for sure.
Well, I know they've got more settings.
They've got more settings. I think the
Time
algorithm is
remaining
better.
2 minutes.
Lemons are pretty damn good, though.
You think those are good? You gotta try these. Because I had a lemon once and like GB and I took it off. I didn't like it that much. I mean, it was good.
It takes time to get it right.
It was good, and that's the thing. Alright, I'm gonna set up for high alpha.
Okay.
I'm gonna be furthest out.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, the gyro really helps there. I'm gonna do a fast low pass.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Look at that. Nice. It's helped. You can really tell on how. Because normally it'll start to rock its wings.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's not doing it at all. Let's see if I can do a pass with you.
30 seconds.
Yeah, see, I've already started rocking. Yeah, you're not rocking at all. Pretty cool, Frank. Pretty cool, Frankie.
Yeah, you gotta try this.
10,
I think whatever they did with this gyros, they got it right. And especially the new firmware. It's pretty good.
I'm doing a
Because I
pat.
noticed my A
Time
Super,
expired.
the one I used to fly my F-16 with, was older firmware.
Ah, wasn't as good? Okay. Yeah, it's locked.
It wasn't as good. This stuff,
It's locked. I can tell.
Yeah.
Because normally it rocks and wiggles a little bit. It's not doing it at all. I'm doing a fast pass. Yeah.
Timer over 47 seconds.
What?
1 minute over.
This is the high-end gyro. It's not the same as the one in the other planes.
Oh, wait, which one is this?
It's a Hobby Eagle, but it's the highest end.
Okay.
The reason is I wanted to keep the aileron separate and the elevator separate.
Okay.
But it's amazing. I Ron was saying, he was like, oh, I think this one's response time is faster. And I was like, nah, that's bullshit.
Is it?
I can't tell. It feels better. It feels cleaner for sure.
Okay.
It definitely feels cleaner. Landing! It definitely feels cleaner.
Okay.
So,
Gear down.
but I
Landing
don't know
flap.
if that's just because I haven't flown in a while.
Well, it looks good. I'm telling you, from what I can see, it looks really good. Just tell me where you are because I'm coming in too.
Right in the center. I'm
Okay.
moving over to the right.
I'll probably stop before I get to you. I love the gear on this. It will not flip.
Flaps
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, I gotta fly the F4 and decide for myself.
Okay.
Because literally the only difference they say is the firmware.
That could make a difference though, right?
Yeah, but I would imagine they use the same firmware and just same electronics, same everything, and just lock out in software.